Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving into personal bookmarks in Power BI. Whether you're a data analyst, a business professional, or just someone who loves exploring insights, you need to make friends with personal bookmarks. This video will show you why they are your trusted companion in the world of self-service data discovery and how they can help you uncover, track, and stay on top of changing data effortlessly. As you can see here, I have my Power BI service opened. I am in my app section and I'm going to open this app that was shared with me that is about the average length of stay for multiple locations. As I am discovering this app, I noticed that I can slice the hospitals, I can pick the year that I want, and I can also turn on or off the forecast button. I am sifting through the data and I am exploring trends and I am making important discoveries such as the Springfield Hospital has the highest average length of stay, which is quite alerting, and I need to present it in my upcoming meeting with the executive. So I write it down on a paper saying Springfield High ALOS, and then I keep on discovering my report. I decide to go back and then to go back in. And you will notice that the view that I have seen before is completely lost. It's quite challenging. Why? Because now I have to remember all the filters, all the parameter, all the visual data points that I have clicked on to get to my conclusion that the Springfield Hospital has the highest average length of stay. Now, in our case, this report is quite simple, straightforward, but in other reports, you might have to filter a lot of things. So, how can personal bookmarks come to the rescue? Because they are going to capture the state of the report the way that we want. So, think of them like a personalized shortcuts to data insights. So I'm going to show you how you can create a personal bookmarks. So I'll click on the Springfield and I'm going to keep the forecast on, and I go here where it says bookmarks and I will add it. I will give it a friendly name. So I'm going to say Springfield 2023. You see here, make default view. I'm going to click on it and I'm gonna save. The default view means that every time I close and I open the app again, I'm gonna be landed on that view that I have captured. And we're gonna test it out. So we're just gonna shuffle things around, go back in. We're supposed to land on the Springfield. We have the Springfield here. So note that in order to use personal bookmarks, you need a Power BI Pro or Premium per user, or the report needs to be shared in a premium capacity and shared with you in order to access the personal bookmarks. Now, how can we take this one step further into self-service data discovery and also storytelling? Let's say we want to take the lowest. So we want to tell our executive this is the highest and this is the lowest. So I have Lakeville Hospital here. Add a personal bookmark that says Lakeville 2023. And I'm going to save. Now I'm going to go to show more bookmarks. This is where you can see the report bookmarks, which are the bookmarks created by the author of the report, and your personal bookmarks here. So these are the two bookmarks that you have created. So let's say you're in a presentation and you want to share your insights. You click on view here. It's like a slideshow. You can go back and forth and explain what you want quickly. It's like a storytelling, very easy and very straightforward. Now, another thing that you can do, if you have noticed that, May has witnessed the highest increase, you can click on May. You go to your, let's click on exit. So I click on May. You see here the three dots. You can update it. And you can also clear, you can change if you don't want the spring field to be the default view, you can clear and set it to another bookmark. You can rename it and you can also delete it. So now notice that we have updated it. So when we go back, we're supposed to have the May data point highlighted for Springfield. Okay, let's do it one more time. Springfield, I come here and I update it. Yep. And now I go back in again, and it worked. You have up to 20 personal bookmarks per report that you can create. And normally personal bookmarks are not affected if the author decides to update or republish the report. It will only fail to open if there's major changes to the report, such as the author has removed a column or renamed a field that the personal bookmark was connected to. Then you'll get a message saying, this will not work. And that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope it's a feature that you will be using to enhance your self-service data discovery and also empower your business users to discover and save their own insights and make storytelling more easier whenever we have a presentation or just discussing new insights. If you like this video, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comment section if you have any question or if there is another way that you are using personal bookmarks in your organization. And until then, we will see you next time. Bye!